Ken? Ken? Be careful your head. Okay. Thank you.
Let's get pass me the bag. Sorry. You don't smoke.
Ay, wow. Someone is playing na. Wow. Ganda naman dito. Sa wakas, nandito na nga kami ngayon sa Radisson Hotel at hinihintay na lamang namin ang aming check-in time. Last year nga pala na nagpunta kami ng Malaysia ay yung kinuha nilang unit ay merong 3 rooms kaya naman sama-sama kami sa isang place. But this time, magkakahiwalay kami ng room. Kaya naman hindi masyadong makakapaglaro itong dalawang ito kung hindi dito lamang sa lobby or anytime na nasa labas kami. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Ay.
This is the shish.
What?
It's like Marriott design.
Wow.
It's exactly like Marriott design. Marriott also design like that.
Really?
This is the shish.
Okay. Pwede bang i-tour mo kami dito?
This is the shish. Chinalas tanggal
Eh.
Pinagod. No, Marriott one can move. This one cannot move, baby. Only the Marriott one can move. I'll be back.
Okay. Laki ng bed. Laki ng bed natin. Tingnan natin ang labas. Wow, ganda. Ooh. Ooh. Welcome to Indonesia. Oh, talaga ang gandang pwesto ah. Oh. Coming. Oh, what happened? Hoy, nagawa mo dyan. Balik ka na. Bumalik ka na dito. Ayun na. Ito na. Ito na ang view natin. 4 days, 3 days.
Why?
Why? Oh, why? Gusto ko. Ako pong maestro na naman ah. Ayos ah. Oh, ano pa? Model yarn.
The bed. So,
Matigas, malambot. Tumbling ka nga. Joke. Hoy, hihis ka muna bago ka pumunta dyan. What is it? What is it? Why are you so excited? Why?
katulad din sa Japan.
Seryosin? Para yun lang. Kala ko naman. Ay. Ayan na si Daddy.
Ang ganda rin.
Uy, kung ano-anong pinag-aaral mo dyan.
I have to unpack everything and start hanging so easier.
Ayan.
Slippers.
I will get it for you.
Hair dryer. Hey,
The what?
store.
Ah, house tour ba?
Ito.
What's that? Laundry bag.
Laundry bag na yun. Yes, laundry na naman. May puro.
Kung ano pa?
Shoes shine
Shoe
sponge.
shine yan para sa shoes mo yun.
Okay, keep.
Hey, lagay mo lang dyan. Lagay mo, keep. Bring home.
Ito. Hair
What's that?
dryer.
Hair dryer.
Look. Kulay
Okay.
black. Ay,
Okay.
wow.
Next.
Wait lang.
Very slow naman mag-house tour to.
Wait lang ka lang. Patient.
Wait lang ka lang. Hayaan mo na dyan. Gagamitin naman natin yan. Yan.
Ito. Room.
Yung ano, yung
Puro
toilet.
hanger. Puro hanger. Dami.
The toilet. Open up.
Wait
This
lang.
is
Dito.
shower room.
Tas bank. The bank.
Anong bank? Vault? O, dali.
This is the
Ito,
shish.
iron.
Ay, nag-house tour kami. Go hotel tour.
Towel.
Towel din. Shower room.
Pupo.
Ayun o.
Wow, may conditioner.
Conditioner, shampoo, body.
No?
This one also shower, rainwater.
Yeah.
Got telephone there also.
Oh, really?
In case.
Can I see? Oh, you na. You need to call me. Oh, be careful. Oh, in case, Mommy, there's a spider. Mommy, my spider. Ganun lang.
Only what two? Just what two only.
Ay, ito pa pala. Come. You, come here. Ito, mirror. Nakatulad sa Japan. Yung pinuntahan namin. Ay, hindi. Para yung pinuntahan namin sa Malaysia, ganyan din yung mirror. Tapos ito, oh. What's
Ano
this?
yan?
Dental kit. Oh, yan. Dalawa. Shower cup. Oh.
Shower cup.
Dalawang towel. Oh.
Dalawa lang. Di ka
Free
kasali.
water,
Yun
dalawa.
na.
Dalawang
Yo.
cup.
Careful.
Dalawang hand wash. Ito body lotion.
Guess what?
Ito plug.
Halika. Come here. What?
I brought my PC.
Eh.
I can plug my PC directly here to the TV. Everything for PC is here. Oh, this hotel is really,
High-tech.
you know, Marriott stuff.
Updated.
And we don't even buy adapter. You see? That was it.
Yeah. I told you, right? Okay lang for
I
sure.
had never had the thought it's going to be like Marriott design.
Yeah. Don't put...
I really wanted.
Uy.
Walang gagamit ng
This
slipper.
is the
Meron.
shish.
Who?
Me.
This is the shish.
Ay, baliktad. Mali.
Come. 100, 200, 300, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 million.
Punya mas.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 million. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2.5 million! Milyonaryo na ako! Ano gusto niyo pasalubong? Ano gusto niyo pasalubong? Wala.